Good morning, everybody. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. Welcome back, guys. We are in Cocoa Beach, and super exciting news. My mom booked us a pontoon ride so we can catch some fish. So that's the plan today. We're gonna be going fishing, hanging out for a little bit, so we hope you guys enjoy it. I got the GoPro ready to rock and roll, so let's go.
Oh my god!
Yeah, it's dolphins, Grace.
They're under us!
Right next to us.
Oh my god, they just went under us!
Working at its best.
More dolphins. Manatee coming. Holy crap.
I saw it fit.
It's going, oh my gosh.
Fit!
Look at that. Holy moly.
There's two! There's two! There's two!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Dolphin. Where'd it go? Just keep going straight. It was right in here. Yeah. Oh, now it's over there. It's on the side. We missed it. No way. Oh my god. We just saw a gator.
Stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground.
Oh!
No, it was a catfish. That's done. Did we get
Dino
off?
got off.
Oh, Pontoon!
Oh,
Allie, no way back.
Does anybody care? So silent. I got it on film.
Oh my god, you got something else. Wait, let me take a photo.
It's not a sheep.
No.
Is it a sheep fish?
No.
It's a bluefish.
No.
I want to see the teeth. That's
No, it's not a sheep.
What are the
It's
teeth?
a bait fish. It's a big pinfish.
When I just found something like you, it had a fin.
What was it, a shark?
This one was a saw or a dolphin.
Wow, thank you, buddy. Good job. Yeah.
That to me looks like a dolphin. That looks for me, that's a lot of money.
Alright, we're off the boat. We did catch a couple fish, which was super cool. We saw manatees, a gator, a whole bunch of stuff. Now we're headed to the pool to do some of our last swimming. Alright, and we are back. We went swimming. It was super fun to go in the water, swim around for a little bit, because it is our last full day. So now we're actually heading, whoop, gotta unlock the car for the kids. So now we're actually heading out to eat, and we're taking Landon and Ollie because they've never ate out with us on the trip so far. So we're getting them in the car right now, and then soon we're gonna be eating some food. And we are leaving dinner. That was a long dinner. We waited quite a while.
No, 5 hours to be exact. 100 hours.
Landon.
Too long.
Land, be careful, buddy. So now, heading to the car because I parked like a mile down the road.
Not even
And then possibly doing some night fishing. Coming soon. We'll see. All right, so we caught the hugest shark that we ever seen. No, we did not. We
Yes, we did.
we did not catch a shark, but one thing we did catch was
A catfish.
a little ice cream after. We ran out of bait. It was super windy. Like I was saying, we did get some chocolate ice cream, but we did not catch anything shark fishing, and unfortunately today is our last day in Florida, which is unfortunate, but we have a long drive home tomorrow, so we do have to get the car packed up and kind of get that situated, and yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the videos. If you guys did, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later.